Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing great. Today I'm here with another new video in which I will explain you about the ear speaker problem or the calling speaker problem in your device Realme 9 Pro and 9 Pro 5G. Firstly, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let's move towards our today's video. If you are having any problem regarding your ear speaker or your calling speaker, you can solve this as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve ear speaker problem in your device Realme 9 Pro and 9 Pro 5G.